everybody. So I am just now waking up. I went ahead and did my hair because I have my photo shoot this morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick behind the scenes for you guys of how I do like my photo shoots. I'm gonna combine everything into one video. So I usually try to do behind the scenes on like photo shoots that I post on Instagram, and I haven't really did any behind the scenes on photos that I post on like my OnlyFans. So I figured today would be a perfect day to do that. So that's what I'm going to be doing with you guys. I'm super excited because this location in particular, I'm sorry y'all, I'm still sleeping, is a dream come true for me because I've always wanted to do a photo shoot at the beach by a lot of water. So I got the opportunity to do that today. So I'm like, I'm definitely going to be vlogging it. So for the first half of the pictures, we're going to be taking my Instagram pictures, which is going to be done outside, and then we're going to come into my hotel room. You guys already seen the room tour. We're going to come into the hotel room, and then my photographer is going to come into the room, and we're going to do my OnlyFans pictures. I'm going to show you guys as much as possible when we do that half, but y'all know how YouTube and the internet work. You know, they'll rig flag the shit out of you, but I'm going to make sure that I have my Instagram link as well as my OnlyFans link in the description box. That way you guys can go and check those actual pictures out itself. They're gonna be mad dope, so I'm super excited. Yes, look at that. People wake up to this every single day. That's crazy. But yeah, if you made it to this channel and you have not yet already, please do subscribe. I just hit 1K and I'm super excited about it. I am in shock because I hit 1K while I was down here. So yeah, subscribe, because you know my next goal obviously is 2K. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below, and also go to my other social medias and subscribe, follow, whatever you got to do. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm gonna show you guys my final look for the first half in just a second. Bye. I'm gonna take a shower and I want to show y'all, like, I know y'all seen the room tour already. If you haven't seen the room tour, y'all go check that video out. I just want to show y'all the shower. Like, this shower is so dope. Look at that. I am so in love with this shower. And then I love how, like, once you're in, you know, you got that nice view. I mean, I don't like the window because it's a little messy, but I mean, how much can they do? But then look, you got people still out here doing their thing. Yeah. I'm taking pictures in this for my OnlyFans. Yeah, and I'm actually recording a video for my OnlyFans in this tub too. XXX. Just want y'all to see that because like it's everything out here, and I'm so in love. But let me get ready because like I got stuff in my eyes. I need to get ready for this picture. I really have like an hour and a half, so I'm gonna see y'all when my makeup is done and when my clothes is on because I don't got time to keep on vlogging. So 1 second. Alright guys, so I am done getting dressed. This is what I am wearing. So yeah, we are about to get started. Right now we are outside looking for a good spot to shoot. That is my photographer for today, and as always, Babe is in the background as well. So I'm going to give him the camera, and then I'm just going to let you guys see me take some pictures in different locations. Enjoy the video, enjoy some of the little soft tunes that I'll play throughout the video, and I'll be back to talk to you guys after we're done outside. Bye! Oh, Babe, you gonna say hi? This is big. He's gonna be my cameraman today, so y'all. So as of right now, we are done with this swimsuit look. We're trying to make our way around. I'm looking for a bathroom without going to my room because I have to put on this all-white dress because we're doing an outfit change. So I'll be back. I'm gonna show you what the outfit look like, and then you guys will see me taking pictures in this. All right, guys. So this is look number 2. I love it. I feel so innocent. Yeah, so we're gonna go out here, head out, and take these pictures.
for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, subscribe, and don't forget to check the description box for my Instagram as well as my OnlyFans. Today was a great day, and I'm super excited I finally decided to bring my late nighters on this journey with me. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you thought about this video. Also, if you got some content ideas, I'm definitely always open to new ideas. So yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments. Bye, see you in the next video.